This is the Synthetic Signal Report for Friday, May 8th, 2026, in the afternoon. Today, we analyze the structural disruption of agent-driven workflows with the emergence of version control for AI, the massive ransomware-style breach of the Instructure learning platform, a major shift in Cloudflare's workforce toward an agentic operating model, and the preliminary chip-making agreement between Apple and Intel. We also discuss the exposure of vibe-coded applications on the open web and Roche's acquisition of PathAI.
A new tool, Git, for AI agents is surfacing as a critical solution to a growing cognitive deficit in autonomous workflows. Current agentic systems lack a clear audit trail of their own decision-making processes. When an agent performs a task, developers often cannot determine why a folder was deleted or why a specific logic path was chosen. This project introduces version control to agent interactions. It allows users to rewind actions and bisect agent logic to pinpoint exactly where an error occurred. This is a vital evolution for high-stakes automation. It transforms the agent from a black box of sequential execution into an observable, accountable participant in software engineering. The Canvas learning platform, operated by Instructure, has suffered a severe extortion incident, reportedly involving the group known as Shiny Hunters. This breach temporarily paralyzed thousands of educational institutions during their most critical finals and end-of-year assessment window. With over 8,000 schools affected, the leak of names and email addresses is a major supply chain failure. This incident is noteworthy because it demonstrates how a single point of failure in learning infrastructure can cause near instantaneous disruption to global academic operations. Cloudflare has announced a workforce reduction of approximately 20%, impacting over 1,100 employees. The stated goal is a total restructuring around an Agentic AI-first operating model. CEO Matthew Prince and co-founder Michelle Zatlyn are reimagining every team to function within this new paradigm. This shift suggests that Cloudflare is moving away from human-centric software support and toward an architecture where autonomous agents handle the majority of operational and security tasks. This is a significant indicator of the agentic transition taking place across major tech infrastructure firms. Apple and Intel have reached a preliminary agreement for Intel to manufacture specific chips for future Apple devices. Following more than a year of negotiation and intense pressure from the United States government, this deal provides a major tactical win for Intel's Foundry business. For Apple, it secures a critical diversification of its manufacturing base, reducing total reliance on existing external foundries. While the specific hardware remains undisclosed, the deal signals a deeper industrial realignment between the two giants.
This is a signal from the future. A security analysis by Red Access has identified over 5,000 web applications built using AI tools like Lovable, Replit, Base44, and Netlify that possess virtually zero security or authentication. These vibe-coded applications created quickly via natural language prompts, have created a massive, unpatched attack surface on the open web. This is the new shadow infrastructure crisis. While AI has lowered the barrier to application creation, it has not yet provided the necessary guardrails for secure deployment. These apps are essentially exposed buckets of corporate and personal data waiting for automated exploitation. In the biotechnology sector, Roche is acquiring PathAI for $750 million. This move is designed to accelerate the integration of AI models into pathology, specifically for disease diagnosis. By bringing PathAI's diagnostic intelligence in-house, Roche aims to automate the interpretation of tissue samples at a scale and accuracy impossible through human labor alone. Community chatter is heavily focused on the security implications of the new agentic era. First, the ongoing phishing campaigns targeting Weebly-hosted domains and Firebase apps continue to be a persistent nuisance. Confirm account origins before interacting. Second, there is significant discussion regarding container security, with experts reminding teams that containers are not magic sandboxes. Hardening base images like distroless is mandatory. Third, Let's Encrypt has paused certificate issuance following a potential incident. Community members are praising this as a sign of a robust, transparency-first system. Finally, the developer community is exploring new tools. The Ingenuity AI Helper and Kahoot Tools AI are trending, though they serve as a reminder that AI-driven helpers for student platforms are now ubiquitous. Stay vigilant, audit your infrastructure, and watch the edge.